Good day, class. Welcome to Plain Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at prime numbers, prime factors, and product of prime factors. Let's look at prime number or prime numbers. A prime number is a number that has only two factors. It can be divided by 1 and by itself. We have discussed about prime number in one of our previous videos. So if you need more insight about prime numbers, you can check our video on basic numbers in mathematics. So let's look at prime factors. First of all, let's talk about a prime factor is a factor that is also a prime number. Let's use an example to illustrate what I'm trying to say. Let's say you have 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are numbers that can divide 6 without any remainder. So out of these numbers, only 2 and 3 are prime numbers. That is, they are numbers that have only 2 factors divided by 1 and by itself. Likewise, 2 and 3 are also prime factors. 2 and 3 are the prime factors. They are also the prime numbers of 6. So that's what we're saying about prime numbers and prime factors. Now, let us look at how to find product of prime factors of a number. We have talked about prime numbers. We have talked about prime factors. Now I want to look at how to find product of prime factors of a number in mathematics. When you hear product in mathematics, don't be scared. It means multiplication. Product means multiplication or times. So now let's look at examples to understand how to find product of prime factors of a number in mathematics. Examples. Let's say you have a question that says express the following as product of prime factors. 1, 80. 2, 4, 6, 8. 3, 5, 40. So we want to use the easiest way or the easiest trick of finding product of prime factors of a number. Let's go. Let's start with 1. Draw a table. Now, we now look at the smallest prime number or smallest prime factor that can divide 80. That is 2. 2, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10. 2 can still go. 5, 5, 1. So when we reach 1, then we'll stop. Therefore, product of prime factors of 80 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 5, 80. That is how to find product of prime factor of 80. Now, let's look at the second example. 4, 6, 8. How do you find product of prime factors of 4, 6, 8? Draw the same table. 4, 6, 8. Let's go with the smallest prime number of prime factor. 2. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 8, 4. 2 can still go. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 3, 1. 2 in, this one remain 1. 2 in 14, 7. Alright? 2 cannot go. Let's go with the next prime factor. 3. 3 in 11. 3. We have 2. 3 in 27. 9. 3 can still go. 3 in 3. 1. 3 in 9. 3. 3 cannot go again. We have 13. 13 in 13. 1. So, therefore, product of prime factors of 4, 6, 8 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 13. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. 36 times 13, let's check. 18. Keep 1. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 6, 3, 8, 6, 4, 6, 8. So it is correct. So this is how to find product of prime factors of 4, 6, 8. Now, let's look at how to solve example 3, 5, 40. The same process we have taken to solve 80 and 468. We also use it to solve 540. Draw the same table. 540. I will start with the smallest prime number or prime factor, which is 2. 2 in 5, 2. Remember 1. This is 14. 2 in 14, 7, 0. 2 can still go. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 7, 3. Right? What do you have left? 1. 2 in 10, 5. Right? Now, 2 cannot go. Let's look at 3. 3 in 13, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Remainder 1. 3 in 15, 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 can still go. 3 in 4, 1. 3 in 5. In 15, 5 again. 3 can still go. 3 in 15, 5. 3 cannot go again. 5 in 5, 1. So, therefore, product of prime factors of 540 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. Let's check. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. 36 times 3, 8. 108. 108 times 5, 40. We keep 4. 0. 5 times 0, 0. 4. 5 times 1, 5. That's 5. So that is correct. So the product of prime factors of 540 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. So far, so good. That is how to find product of prime factors of numbers in mathematics. Follow all these simple steps. You will not have any issue finding product of prime factors of any number in mathematics anymore. Thank you for watching and listening. Please help to share this video and other videos on our channel. Like all our videos. We love to have a feedback from you, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.